Hello everyone, I am Arnav Deshpande back with another video. And in this video, we are going to see the easiest way to download the YouTube videos in our local file manager or gallery. So without any delay, just let us begin with. Okay, before moving to the main content of this video, make sure you have liked the video and also have subscribed to the channel to get more updates, and also make sure you will share this video after seeing this video to many of your friends, because this trick or tool will be helpful for everyone. So moving to the main content of the video, I have given you a link in the description, so you can directly press that link and go to this website. For now, I already loaded the website here. So after that, just press this download SnapTube option. Okay, after it get downloaded, we will just press open, and the app will get installed. So this app is trusted by many of the main companies, and also there are about 500 to 600 million plus download worldwide of SnapTube, because this is a very simple UI software which is with minimum of the ads, and you can directly with a single click you can go to YouTube and download it. So this is basically used to download the YouTube videos, and also it serves as a browser, but that is none of our business. In this video we are going to see how to download videos using SnapTube. Okay, so after opening, you just need to open the app to give all the access, and then there is no work of this app for you. So, as you can see, there is a very simple UI of this software. Before that, give access to all of its permissions so that it can perform greatly, and it's completely safe. No. So as you can see here, there are three pages: one home, one my file, and third one me. So about it. And, this toolbar appears on downloading this app, but you can directly delete it. And I also recommend you to turn off this notification, not from here, but from the app, by pressing me and then going to the settings. Just wait for a while, it is getting loaded. Just now I have downloaded the app, so it is lagging that much, or else it's a great app. So after going to the settings, you will see the notifications option here. After pressing the notification, there are many notifications you will get from this app. So just you can turn off this notification, copy link notification, or this is a good one. And also there is other notification as push notification, recommend videos and music I may like, so you can off it. And SnapTube updates also you can off, even cleaner notification, that is now it has been disappeared, so that also you can off. So download progress and download completed notifications you will need, so don't turn it off, I'll suggest you. So after that, just let us go to YouTube now, and any random video I will select here, and let us see how we can download that video. So okay, I'll go to my video itself, and I'll see how to download that one. So as you can see here, I am subscribed to all the most gaming channels, so don't worry about that. And okay, I'll try downloading this video. For this trick you will not need to go to the video also, just you can press this share button, and after pressing the share button you can see here option that download with SnapTube. After pressing that option, a toggle or a bar will appear. If it won't appear at once, you can restart that one. by doing the same process. First share, then selecting download with Snaptube, and then you can even rename this file here. So I'll first rename this one. I'll rename it as how to get unlimited drive cloud storage. Okay, so I will just save it, and after that you can see here you can either extract this music from this video, or even you can go to this one. I don't know that my video is even rendering 4K SD software services. Okay, so if you want 4K quality you can opt for that, or even 2K. It is not that it is just showing 4K or 2K. It is really that it is giving you 4K or 2K service. So I'll just press 144 pixel temporarily. So as you can see here, you will get a download notification of download of that file. So don't worry, it will get download within moments, and also it has got downloaded. So two or three more files I'll download. Okay, this one. So I will show you once again. First press on the three dots or the menu, and then press share, and then go and select download with Snaptube. So this time I'll download mp3 70K, and I'll check whether it works or not. So there is one more thing. I'll download this also. Okay, so I'll be downloading it as audio. Okay, as you can see here in the notification, both the downloads are starting, and I recommend you that while downloading the audio files also you can use this, but select the lyrical version of the audio files. I'll say select one thing. Let us select Shot Me Down. Okay, this is my favorite pop song actually. It is a super song. If you are having free time you can even download it. So if you want to download the songs directly, so just ensure that you are downloading the lyrical version of it. So this is not a lyrical song, so directly you can go to share and then download with Snaptube. I'll download the video for now because it would be very easy. So after going to this, it will show you to download the Lark player for that one. So instead of that, I'll suggest you directly go to your gallery and play the song or video from there. So as you can see here, it is promoting music player and mp3 player, Lark player. So no need for that. I'll show it once again. You can see here it is again once showing to download the Lark player, but you can go to the file manager or gallery and directly you can download from there. So okay, it will get to the Snaptube folder of your mobile phone. I'll just quick search for the Snaptube folder and see whether it has got downloaded or not. Of course it has downloaded, but I'm just showing you it. Okay, Snaptube video, as you can see here. After that you cannot see here, but after pressing Snaptube audio, I've already downloaded millions of I cannot say millions, but many songs I have downloaded from Snaptube. You can even take full benefit of that, so nothing to worry of that about that. And even you can see another thing here. Snaptube audios will get saved, and for videos you will need to go to storage and then Snaptube audio. Oh, okay. Audio has not got completely saved because I have selected high audio quality. So don't worry about that. It will also get downloaded. After that, I'll just show you this one. So if you want, as I have selected the 144 pixel theme, so it has got downloaded in that way. And if I will select 4K also, it will get downloaded in 4K only. So nothing to worry about it. And audio, maybe it will get downloaded within moments. And also, as you can see here, audio file has also been downloaded. So if you want to download many music for in your mobile phone, so don't just select the video file, because quality will reduce. And also just go to mp3 download. So this was all about downloading of files from YouTube directly to your file manager. And why I have made this video, because in YouTube they do not provide feature to download directly to file manager. Previously it was being there, but that also with some mods we were able to do, but now it has completely been removed. So I think this snaptube option is great one. Yes. So after that, I'll just show you again one way to download this one. So you can just press share from here when you go to YouTube, and then press the download with snaptube button, or any Facebook or any other site Twitter link also. If you copy directly, you will get a notification here of downloading from snaptube. See, as I have said you, download this link using snaptube. It will get downloaded. Basically this is a developer's app only. It goes to the link, checks whether any media lies or not in the link, and then records it and sends to you. So this is the working principle behind this one. So as you can see here, just you go to your gallery or storage, or and see the file where it has get stored. So this was all about snaptube. As you can see here, my audio file has also been downloaded. So in this way you can download the audio and video files using snaptube. Hope you liked this video, and suggest me something new in the comment section so I can make video on that. And don't hesitate on sending anything, because I respect all of your comments, and I'll read each and every single comment of it. So this was all about downloading videos from YouTube directly to your file manager. Hope you liked this video, and have a great day ahead.